I bet you want to be a millionaire, and a self-made one at that, but don't know how to go about it? Not to worry. I have a few tips to help you achieve this. It takes drive, focus, and optimism to want to be in the millions, but establishing the goals and excessive work takes a lot more. Trying to attain the billionaire level of Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and Tesla, Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos of Amazon, and so on involves the tips I'll be sharing. Most do not realize that achieving this goal involves more than a great idea and money. There's an attitude to it. Thinking you can't become a millionaire with enough gossip going around about how you won't achieve it should be removed from your soul. I've gathered years of work and the ideologies of experts who've created millionaires and brought it right here to you. Before we go on, I would love for you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, a little info on two not so different, but different self-made millionaires. Their line of work's different, but their attitude is right about the same. The first is Marla Beck. Marla Beck started as a beauty junkie and became a beauty boss. She took her brand from behind the counter to the do-it-yourself shelves of luxury beauty. Later on, she expanded this into her makeup and skincare brand. She got exposed to entrepreneurship as a teen by her father. So yeah, she had the experience, a little startup fun, but most of all, she had the right attitude. She aimed for it, didn't listen to the gossip, and she made it big. The next person is Luke Freeler. Luke Freeler is the CEO and co-founder of CenterCode, a customer validation solution provider that helps young tech companies bring their products to the market. In an interview, Luke Freeler mentioned transparency with his team was a significant part of their success. He runs the company with his team, and the very right attitude of transparency got the company up the success ladder. You don't know whose contribution will be best. Another reason attitude is vital in running a successful business. The journey involves a great mindset, your notable attitude, the skills you have to offer. So set goals, start smart in savings, organize yourself, and manage funds. Here are some useful and very easy to follow principles. They have been tested and proven to have positive effects if applied in your life cycle. The first of which is saving and investing diligently for growth. In acquiring wealth, you have to learn the principle of spending less and appropriately investing such funds. The biggest mistake you can ever make is upsizing your lifestyle as your income increases. This should stop. With this kind of mentality, you are just going to remain stagnant. The first thing that should be increased when your income increases are the level of your savings. You should have emergency funds available in case something comes up, so you don't have to touch your investment. The way to becoming a self-made millionaire is by investing. The earlier you start to save and invest, the more you accumulate wealth, adding steadiness to your finances. Next, starting a business from what you know and enjoy doing. Whatever business you've agreed to create should be in your area of expertise, making you the business. If it's a skill, perfecting the skill will help improve not just what you have to offer, but also your confidence. Learning how to market, manufacture, and distribute the products profitably builds you as well. It all cloaked in the great start to success. Be the best you have to offer. With patience and persistence, the sky will be your beginning. Next, make investments and persevere through failure. You should move to invest in companies from the stock market with little or low commission fees. The truth in this is the amount you earn depends on how well and what you invest in. As we all know, investments deal with many risks, so make out choices that can get you at least a 7% return or more to be exact. From crypto to Forex and stocks, let your investment move, not putting all your money in a single investment. Stay very disciplined, keep a financial plan, and educate yourself. Next, have great relationships with smart and like-minded people. Many self-made millionaires surround themselves with people with great intellectual capacity like them or more than them. This is because they are thirsty for more knowledge. Their drive involves being lifelong learners. They even go as far as hiring them. They build circles or teams of smart people to help solve difficult problems rather than making these decisions on their own. This is one tip you must replicate in your own business and life. Embrace corrections, ideas, and knowledge from people who you know do even better than you do. You need to embrace change and be very innovative. Successful self-made millionaires know that reinvention is key to being number one in the race of wealth. So they reinvent themselves, businesses as the technology and market changes day to day. Rather than avoiding every change, find out what caused it and create solutions that bring about a new opportunity in the business. Lastly, stay in charge of your financial destiny. One rule for a successful business is managing the cash flow personally and generally, because some entrepreneurs leave that role to a staff whose only focus is on the purchases and expenses. Create a schedule to check what's going on in the business. Make sure you oversee this department in others to avoid a leak of cash flow in the business. Lastly, as much as you enjoy making money, enjoy this journey. What a time spent. Be a doer of every new thing learned to build you and your brand. Let's hear your views in the comment section below. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more mind-building, spirit-lifting videos.